Hello, I am Herb Coach with the Chicagoland Lionel Railroad Club. Welcome to the review of the Aberdeen, Carolina and Western Railway GP9 Metka Lionel engine. Ever since I went on the Aberdeen, Carolina and Western Railway excursion with Lionel at the 2023 LCCA convention, I have been enamored with its colors and purpose. The Aberdeen, Carolina and Western Railway Company is the largest privately held short line or regional railroad in North Carolina. The ACWR is a dual-serve short line, which means it interchanges with two railroads, the North Fork Southern in Charlotte, North Carolina, and the CSX Transportation in Aberdeen, North Carolina. This offers access to the entire national railway network in the U.S. The Aberdeen, Carolina and Western is primarily a freight railroad that hauls a wide range of commodities from feed ingredients, lumber, aggregates, sands, cement, agriculture, products, chemicals, petroleum products, and plastics. In addition, they provide transloading services for all types of commodities, whether you require rail-to-truck or truck-to-rail services. The ACWR also offers unique passenger and train enthusiast excursion opportunities for the public throughout the year. Engine inspection. Let's take a look at the front of this engine as we then go to the back. What pops out to me is the Aberdeen, Carolina and Western logo. That is such a nice logo. And then, the dual headlights, the big 902 engine number, the front step right here, the coupler in front. Let's see how that works. Ooh. Works out pretty good. The handrails are real nice. You got this step that will let you have access to other engines that are combined when they have a lash up. Here you have the coupler release. Nice chain. I like this purple color, the gold that they have to accent it, and then the black roof. It's nice to see that when you change direction, the headlights turn off and the red lights turn on. The back of the engine has the number boards, and you can see the red light indicating that this is the back of the engine. You have the step plate that goes to the next engine, the coupler release, again nice chain, good handrails, nice yellow coloring for the handrails. Oh, you have the brake right here. I guess this pulls up or whatever. Look at the grab rails, nice detail. And I love the paint job on this, just meticulous. Nice gold, and then this maroon, special maroon for Aberdeen, Carolina and Western engines. The dual headlights, and the red running lights. So if you're going to change direction and go backwards, the red lights turn off and the big headlights turn on. On the top of the engine, I want to show from the beginning to the end, there's the railing here, and it continues onto the cab. Nice horns, and the horns cover where the run program switch and the rest of the switches are for smoke and Bluetooth. Well, you can see the flywheel from the motor itself. You have the antenna here, you have these lift loops that allow panels of these engines to be taken apart for maintenance. There's the radiator fans, smokestacks, a big radiator fan for the dynamic brakes that are on this GP9, another smokestack, another set of radiator fans. On the back here, there's some kind of electrical box. Cool. On the black walkways all around, there is diamond tread pattern for good grip. Taking a look at the trucks, you can see a lot of good detail there. Aberdeen, Carolina, and Western, boy, they did a good job on this engine. I like the black on the bottom, and then you got this gold with their name on it. A little bit of a maroon stripe, and then you got the yellow striping, and full maroon on top, and black on the roof. We continue from the front to the back on the side, and you see the stairs here. Nice yellow safety striping. You can see the F for front, the EMD builder plate. You can see where the fuel is put in, and this is where the fuel is red. The air tanks, the other set of trucks, and you got this nice handrail system going here. And I love the Aberdeen, Carolina, and Western setting up this paint. 902, engine number. You got various grill work here. You have the fireman here. You have the dynamic brake radiators, and you have more ventilation up front. And the other set of trucks. Under the engine, you can see here's where the gears are, pickup rolls, the super base unit, and the activity track sensor. Here's some nice air tanks. Again, some gears, pickup rolls, and the coupler in back. The engine measures 15 1/4 inches knuckle to knuckle. Step to step is 13 3/4 inches. The pickup rolls are 3 1/8 inches apart, and the full length of front truck and rear truck pickup rolls are 11 inches, and that's very good to get through switches. Let's check the weight of this engine. Let's put the engine on the scale. 3 pounds, 10.2 ounces. Not a bad weight. I figure that'll pull at least 15, 20 cars. Let's test the couplers. Front coupler. Oh, that works. Rear coupler. And that one works. After a long day, the fuel is getting pretty low. So you want to fill up the tank with some more fuel. So what you do is you press the reset key, hold it down, and you get all the fuel you want. And that's about all we want. Release the reset key. Well, we're all set for another day. There are 5 different bell sounds that are available on this engine. How you activate the bell sounds is first you get the bells going. Okay, we got the bells going. And then to change a bell, you go aux 1 and push up the bell. Oh, we got a little bit lower sound there. A little bit higher sound. Oh, higher yet. I think we did them all. Yeah, that takes us back to this one. I'm kind of liking this one. To check out the horn, we'll put the horn on, and then we'll press aux 1 and try a different horn. Ooh, multi-sound. A straight horn. A little deeper horn. Another multi-sound. And we get back to our original horn. Let's go with that one. Hey, let's give Bluetooth a try. We have our Bluetooth controller here, and let's see if we can connect to an engine. Let's find it. Oh, there it is. Let's connect. Oh, we got it. So now we can go forward. We can go reverse. Blow the horn. Oh, this is interesting. They're giving us the opportunity to change all the different types of bells and horns. The bell.
Engine to dispatcher. Airs up and cruise on board. We clear? Over. Hold for signal indication. Out.
Let's try some verbal communication. Go forward.
Going to slow speed.
Stop.
Stopping the engine.
Reverse.
Going in reverse.
Go.
Going to slow speed.
Stop.
Stopping the engine.
Blow horn.
I'm sorry, I don't recognize that command.
Horn. Well, that's interesting. I didn't expect that.
I don't recognize that.
Well, that's either some incorrect spelling or it's a problem.
Sorry, I don't
Stop.
Stopping the engine.
Looks like the engineer and the fireman are ready to go. Well, let's start up this engine. What we want to do is hold down the aux 1 key. And what that does is get you sequence control. So now, initiation and various sounds, the bell ringing at the low speed, startup, conversation, is all automatic.
This is the dispatcher. Go over there. Thank you much. Cleared outbound. Out.
You can hear the bell ringing. And once it gets past the first step, the bell ringing stops.
Can we get permission to occupy the main? Over. Go over there. Move on to lead. Alright, finally clear the yard limit. Let's get her up to track speed. Engine to dispatcher. How's the track look? Am I clear? Over. Yep, you're good to go. Out. Yard office, just knocked down the signal, 17.4. Clear in on the normal route. Over. Copy that. Switch line. Clear inbound. Out. Engine to dispatcher. How's the track look? Am I clear? Over. Yep, you're good to go. Out. All lined up and clear inbound. Glad we topped off the fan. These wet rails are making a mess of our schedule.
I always liked how that works. My wife got this in the early 50s. Her father always played with it.
Tower, are we cleared to the next block? Over. That's affirmative. All clear in. Go. Yard office, are we cleared through the diamond? Over. That's affirmative. Your track is clear. Out.
Let's enjoy some nighttime running.
Alright, finally clear the yard limit. Let's get her up to track speed. Yard office, just knocked down the signal, 17.4. Clear in on the normal route. Over.
I'm sorry, I cannot get your passcode. Please try again.
Engine to dispatcher, how's the track look? Am I clear? Over. Yep, you're good to go. Out. Alright, finally clear the yard limit. Let's get her up to track speed. This is the tower. Execute an emergency stop. Over. Copy. Emergency stop. Dispatch, we've come to a stop. Everything's okay. Over. Dispatcher, we're signing out and going to beans. Out.
Well, thank you for watching our CLRC review. This is Herb Coach, over and out. It's time for sounds around the track. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my microphone, hold it near the engine, and then we're going to do all the crew talk and tower comm that we can as we go around the layout. So let's start out.
Engine to dispatcher, air's up and crew's on board. We clear? Over. Hold for signal indication. Out. Hey, Gina. Clear by about a car length. Right, Patty? Hang around.
Well, there was something about Penny in there.
Tower, are we cleared through the next block? Over. That's affirmative. All clear in. Out. Yard office, just knocked down the signal, 17.4. Clear in on the normal route. Over. Copy that. Switch a line. Clear inbound. Out. Speed restriction on that curve up ahead. Batteries are off. Engine to dispatcher. How's the track look? Am I clear? Over. Yep, you're good to go. Out. Glad we topped off the sand. These wet rails are making a mess of our schedule. Yard office, just knocked down the signal, 17.4. Clear in on the normal route. Over. Copy that. Switch a line. Clear inbound. Out. Clear boys all the way. Gonna make this run in record time. Engine to dispatcher. How's the track look? Am I clear? Over. Yep, you're good to go. Out.
I want to activate the emergency stop to see if there's some different emergency stops.
This is the tower. Execute an emergency stop. Over. Copy. Emergency stop. Tower, we've stopped. No problems to report. Over. That was close. Good work. Out. This is the tower. Execute an emergency stop. Over. Copy. Emergency stop. Dispatch, we've come to a stop. Everything's okay. Over. Thank you. Please proceed at restricted speed. Out. This is the dispatcher. You need to stop quick and hold on to me. Over. Yes, sir. Emergency stop initiated. Dispatch, we've come to a stop. Everything's okay. Over. Thank you. Please proceed at restricted speed. Out. Dispatcher, we're signing out and going to beans. Out.
I like running on my layout. Another good day.